San Francisco's Golden Gate is one of the world's most famous estuaries and one of our nation's most unique harbors. But the natural beauty of the bay has always presented a challenge to mariners, with its narrow channels, strong tidal currents, and many islands. For hundreds of years, ship captains entering the gate have faced a torrent of elements, from gale-force winds and driving rain to the persistent, impenetrable fog. As the city of San Francisco has grown, so has the need for pilots who understand the bay and its dangers, and can steer ships to safe harbor. Every hour of every day, the San Francisco bar pilots patrol the rugged seas, 12 miles beyond the mouth of the bay, where their story begins.